You drink too much alcohol, you pay the price. Hey, it's Ryan from the Carb Situation. Remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a trainer. I'm just a human guinea pig who likes to read a lot and willing to experiment. If you go on the journey with me, maybe you'll learn what I learned. Oh yeah, and I curse a lot. Let's do this. Hey guys, it's time for another weekly check-in. Today is June 2nd, 2019, and that is the end of week 11 for the Carb Situation Project. So I'm a few weeks into losing weight, and this last week went pretty well. I was traveling about half of the week, and I was at home about half of the week, and I did great all the way through my diet. Did the normal amount of exercise, pretty much. And then on Saturday, I released a video about how to drink alcohol on a low-carb diet. One of the specific tips I told you at the end was to make sure you don't overdo it. So what did I do hours later? I overdid it. So it brought some very interesting results that we're going to go over. All right, last week I came in at 216.0 pounds. And this week I came in at 213.4 pounds. And then after drinking on Saturday evening, my Sunday morning weigh was 219.0 pounds. And as for body fat, last week I was at 29.1%, and this week I'm at 28.5% body fat. But after my evening of debauchery, I came in Sunday morning at 29.6% body fat. So those are some really crazy numbers. Everything adds up until the last one. I want to explain that real quick. Obviously, I didn't gain 1.1% body fat and 6 pounds overnight, but I drank about 8 ounces of whiskey, which is too much for my diet and for me at this time in my life. But it had been a long time since I let my hair down, so that's what happened. And well, that alcohol did store some sugar away, but I think more importantly, it hit me really hard with the dehydration. That much dehydration, I retained all the water I could overnight when I was sleeping. I've seen this many times before, and I can pretty much tell you what's gonna happen. I could tell you this morning before I got on the scale what was gonna happen because I felt like shit. It skews the results because of how much water I'm retaining. So to fix that, all day today, drinking a ton of water, it'll flush it all out of my system and I'll be back to normal. Make sure I don't fall off the wagon. I don't beat myself up and order a pizza or anything like that. I just make sure and drink a ton of water. I'm gonna release all that water, and tomorrow I should be back in the 213, 214 range. So it's just kind of a glitch in the system whenever you drink like that. Now, it doesn't mean you can just get away with it and the next day everything resets, but it will to a certain extent. So I will still have gained a little bit from that mistake, but it's not like I have to start back at 219 pounds now and take the next week to get back. So that is an interesting side effect. If you decide to get loaded while you're on a keto diet, then you are gonna come out of ketosis. You're gonna retain a lot of water until your body heals up from that, and then you'll be right back in the game. So I expect probably by tomorrow afternoon, I will start to get back into ketosis. Expect my measurements to be pretty bueno. This next week, I am traveling for work, and I'm going to try to attack a very important video about motivation and willpower. I'm not going to make any promises because this is a difficult one. There's a lot to it, but I'm going to try to get that out this week. I hope. That's kind of my plan. And that's about all I got for this week. So remember, boys and girls, if you drink too much alcohol, you pay the price. So let's keep that under control. It's a lesson learned again by me, and I hope you learn it too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my website. And until next time, thanks for watching. Cheers.